Okay, students, good morning. Coming to the next part of this planning in sports. These are the committees that we form. I told you earlier, of course, the sports that is a very vast area, and organizing these sporting events is not very easy. That is why we need to take help from different areas, from different persons, and we need to form the different committees. And if we look into this area, sometimes the long questions that also comes. So what type of questions? Suppose if you are going to organize a sporting event, how will you organize? So naturally, if you are asked to say how will you organize this sporting event, so naturally you have to form various committees and you have to write about these various responsibilities of these various committees. Now you see in the top, that is administrative director. We need to have an administrative director who will be the whole and soul, this responsible person, or we can say the chairperson to look after these activities or organizing these activities, that is administrative director. Under administrative director, we have the organizing committee. That is the main committee, of course, or we can say that is the executive committee or organizing committee, and that is the main committee which look after various events. And after that, you can see here we have various committees. This finance committee, publicity committee, technical committee, purchase committee, reception committee, transport committee, boarding and lodging committee, of course the medical or the first aid committee, tournament committee, ceremonies, this awards and post-tournament committee. Now you see I have written here pre-tournament committee. So especially this, if you look here, this finance, publicity, this technical and the purchase committee, of course these are the pre-tournament committee. Pre-tournament committee, that means what? Before the tournament, of course these committees, they start working to make the event successful. What is the main responsibility of this finance committee? Of course, that is they have to make the budget of the tournament. They have to prepare the budget. That is the main purpose or the function of this finance committee. Then the publicity committee. Publicity committee, of course, what is their main responsibility? Of course, when we are organizing some event, naturally the spectators they come. So unless we go for publicity, so the spectators or the people of the town do not know what is going to be held. So it is the responsibility of the publicity committee to advertise regarding that event, whether through the electronic media, through the posters or through the print media, etc. Next, the technical committee. Of course, what is their responsibility, this technical committee? Of course, every technical parts, it is the responsibility of the technical committee to look after all the technical parts. Technical parts, that means what? About the equipment, about the size of the equipments, the weight of the equipments, the quality of the equipments, the ground course, this laying out of the grounds, etc. Then the purchase committee, of course, they are responsible for purchasing whatever that we need for this tournament. Whatever that we need. The purchasing committee is responsible for the purchasing of those goods. Now come to the reception committee. What is the main responsibility of this reception committee? Of course, when the outstation teams that comes, where they will go? So they will go to the reception committee, and reception committee coordinates where to go, where is the boarding and lodging, where to do what, where to deposit money, etc. etc. Then the transport committee, of course, transport committee, what is the basic duties of the transport committee? When the outstation trains they are coming or the officials they are coming, they have to pick up from the railway stations or from the bus stand or from the airports, and they have to arrange transport for those people. And another responsibility, of course, this transport committee to send the participants or the officials to their venue. Next, come to the boarding and lodging. Of course, that is for the stay and the food. That is their main responsibility, and whatever that they require for staying purposes. So those facilities, they look after those facilities, this boarding and lodging. Now come to this medical committee, of course, that is very important during stay and during the event. That means this tournament, this medical committee that play a very vital role, because the sporting activities, in sporting activities, if we see the accidents, these are very common. So what generally we say, these injuries are the ornaments of a player, and it is the most important that the medical committee they take care about this treatment, proper treatment or the hospitalization, whatever that is required, that is done by the medical committee. Then the tournament committee, of course, that is they look after the officials, these technicians, and to conduct the tournament properly, making of fixtures, tie sheets, and with the time, it is the prime duty of this tournament committee. Next, ceremonies. Ceremonial committee, of course, they look after the opening and the closing ceremony. These days, if you can see, if you look into these areas, so opening ceremonies, that comes very important, and the closing ceremonies, many items are placed in this to make the event very attractive. So it is the prime duty of this ceremonial committee. Then the awards, of course, they look after the awards that is given during these events. So this reception, transport, boarding and lodging, medical, tournament, ceremonial committee, awards. So that is the during tournament, committees during tournament. That means when the events are on, these committees duties are very important. Next, another important part, that is post-tournament committee. So post-tournament committee that is responsible for the winding up properly, and if they need to take from various help from various committees like transport, of course they need, because we have to send all those players and the officials to their places, that means the airport or to the bus stand or to the railway stations. So this post-tournament committees for winding up, that is very, very important. They plays a very important role. Thank you.